Today we start the lecture first of RCC design. So our first objective, what is the objective of RCC design? So the objective of RCC design, there are three objectives. First is strength. Strength of the structure should not be less than its critical value. Second, stability, means the structure should be stable. Third objective of RCC design or structural design is serviceability. Serviceability means stiffness, deflection, etc. It can be serviceable. Structure should be serviceable. So, and next point is the process of RCC construction, means designing. After the objective of the RCC design, we are coming on the process of the RCC constructions. There are the three process. First step is planning. Second is structure design. So structure analysis and design. And third, after the analysis and design, third point is the engineering, drawing and work according to this. Make the engineering drawing and work according to this. And you nowadays, and the main construction materials are two. First is concrete and steel. Concrete and steel. Why we use the concrete? So the concrete, out of the concrete is very strong in the compression, means its compressive strength is high, but concrete is weak. In tension, means its tensile strength is less. So it is the drawback of the concrete. So we went to the remove this by providing a suitable steel to impart the tensile strength to the structure, and steel is also impart the durability to the structure for the tensile strength to the structure. Suppose this is a structural beam, when the load is coming, this is a plain concrete without RCC reinforcement, plain beam है. So the load, then the crack, this यहाँ पर neutral axis रहेगा and this is neutral axis, और यहाँ पर in lower portion पर there are the tension forces will be the act, and due to this tension crack are introduced in this zone. Suppose like these, there are some cracks are introduced, and if we provide the reinforcement of suitable reinforcement at the suitable place of a suitable dia, then this is prevented. So this crack is not introduced. Design properties of the concrete. Next we look कंक्रीट की क्या क्या डिजाइनिंग प्रॉपर्टी होना चाहिए, ये हम देखेंगे. तो डिज़ाइन प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कंक्रीट. डिज़ाइन प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ कंक्रीट. द कंक्रीट को डिजाइन किया जा सकता बिकॉज द इस कैरेक्टरिस्टिक स्ट्रेंथ characteristic strength. This characteristic strength means compressive characteristic strength, which is generated by the FCK for the models of elasticity of concrete and durability. Structure should be durable होना चाहिए and steel is provided durability. Creep and shrinkage limited होना चाहिए, and then after the impermeability it's this is the basic properties of concrete to remember in mind when we design this structure. There are one question is rising, how the one question is there how to represent the types of the concrete on the basis of its quality. So the answer of these questions, the grade of concrete is used to represent the quality of concrete. When I write this bracket, you can understand the meaning of of concrete and the grade of the concrete. And the grade of concrete is represented G means grade, and of concrete, grade of concrete is represented by M, and there are the number. M means mix, and N means number, so numerical values. Okay, mix is the mix of the cement, sand and aggregate along with the water. So the grade of concrete is represented by M and some number. Let's suppose we are used concrete in M20. It means this 20 is characteristic strength of the concrete after 28 days in a Newton per mm square. When we test in a cube of dimensions 150 mm. Types of the concrete as per the IS 456-2000 and table 2 K coding. So the types of the concrete based on this concrete are, first type is normal strength concrete from M10 to M20. Concrete is called as a normal strength concrete. Second types of the concrete based on according to the IS standard strength concrete means SSC. It is also called SSC, standard strength concrete, from M25 grade to M55 grade. Third is high strength concrete HSC, greater than M60 is called high strength concrete. So we and the next is most important property of concrete, which is characteristic compressive strength of concrete, CCS of concrete, R. In short form I write it for your easily understanding concrete. So the characteristic strength of the concrete is the strength of concrete below which not more than 5% result is expected to the fall. Suppose this is the concrete curve, strength curve. So there are the 5%. This is the 5%. This is the mean strength. Mean strength of concrete is 1.65 of sigma. This is called the mean strength. Mean strength of concrete. This area is denoted the characteristic strength. This area is denoted the characteristic strength. So definitions of characteristic strength. Definitions of characteristic strength. Strength. The characteristic strength of material is material is below which not more than 5% result are expected to fall. And suppose we was look at this diagram in previous, but once again I write here, draw here. This is the draw.